That last video was awful. Yikes. Hey, true art believers. Today we're going to learn how to paint shapes using tape to create hard edges. But first, let's review the materials needed for this exercise. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For this exercise, you will need one pad of Bristol board with the dimensions of 14 by 17 inches, a roll of blue painter's tape, a flathead paintbrush with synthetic bristles, artist grade acrylic paint, some palette knives, and a painting palette. For this demo, I will be using a grid that I made from a previous art tutorial. If you would like to learn how to make that grid, the link will be available at the end of this video. Using your blue painter's tape, you'll be masking off the edges of your shape. To extend the life of my blue painter's tape, I will often cut or tear the tape in half. Take your time when applying the tape. Don't rush the process. Once you have finished applying your tape to the paper surface, consider using your nail to press down on the corners where the tape overlaps. When you apply the paint, make sure to use even brush strokes following in the same direction. Once you are finished painting, you will need to remove the tape. Be extra careful when removing the tape. Do not pull the tape off too quickly. If you do so, you may risk pulling paper off with your tape. So that is how you can use tape to paint shapes with crisp and clean edges. Thank you for stopping by, true art believers. See you later.